Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are doing great, fantastic. So today I'm going to discuss about how to be motivated while learning this language and why it's happened with all learners when we are going to learn something so we are demotivated. So why it's happened? So I will tell you first of all I would like to say, if you are new over here, so please subscribe this channel, as well as you can press the bell icon so that you will get digital notification. So let's begin. So today's my topic, like how to be motivated while learning this language. So first of all I would like to say, there is some reason and you which one you can follow. So definitely you don't give up in our life and you don't quit your journey. Start your journey and learning, keep watching. So first one is that you are compared to yourself each other. So like English is a mother tongue language. English is not our mother tongue language, and it is secondary language. And the English will to learn this language, it is a very long process. And there are lots of people and they have facing lots of problem while learning English, while learning English journey, starting journey. So it could be, that's why, just because this is a very long process. It is not comes, English is not comes overnight, all night. It is a very long process, and there have to only patience, then it could be learn easily. And don't compares to others people. If you will compares to other people, so you be demotivated while during this moment. So that's why. And second one is like when you are going to try to learn something new, so you have to remember that moment, where to start and why you start, why have you started this journey. Two things is very important: why and how. Why and how, like suppose if I talk about how do you think, when you are going to start this journey, English speaking learning journey. So which type of activities you should apply and how to start, like suppose I am here and if I remember that my initial days, so how I started my journey. When I talk about my initial journey, so I was not able to write a member's name, and I am good right now, better than before. So how it could be possible? Only I have patience, and I never ever compares to each other people. That's why I'm here. And why I want to learn this language, you remember that, why and how. So second one is why do you want to learn in this language, what is reason behind of your learning process. And imagine it that when you are starting that time, so maybe you should have knowledge, like one day I will, if I will become a good speaker, so how much opportunity get me, and how much expression, how much there are a lot of opportunity. And this is a moment, if you remember again and again, and imaginary that moment, one day in future you can remember that in future also, as well as, like one day I will become a good speaker in my future. So I had lot of opportunity, I can do anything, I can go anywhere. And no matter someone who's talk to me, and doesn't matter, only you have to remember that your why and how you started your journey. And next one is like only you have to happy in moment. If you making mistakes while during while speaking English. If you want to try speak this language each and every time, each and every moment in front of people, if you are making mistakes, so doesn't matter, don't worry about it and don't give up. It's happened with any people, and the mistakes is our part of our life. Mistake is a very good teacher. Mistakes is a great moment. If you are doing making mistakes, so maybe you are doing work. And always you remember that you are good. You are good. Always think positive. You are good. You are speaking good, and you are speaking, you will speak good in English in future. So definitely always you keep trying to think in positive way. Only think, and love yourself, love your work. Suppose English, to learn this language, to learn English is not a lovely moment. Actually there is no surrounded by ourselves, and that's why we are not interested in this language. But imagine that, uh, what should be, what could be in future if I will be become a good speaker. Suddenly what happens? So you have to remember that moment again and again, and don't quit your journey. This is not process overnight, and one day, 2 days or night. No, this is very long process. It will take time, some years, some month, and all in all I would like to say English is a secondary language, and while learning this journey, and you can say we are facing a lot of problem, but you have to only patience. And why I want to speak this language? What is reason behind this? And don't compare to others people. You are good. You are good. Your work is good, and you will become good person in future. Don't don't compare to others people. And I would like to, uh, next thing, don't postpone on your work on tomorrow. No, tomorrow will never come in our life. If you have little bit work, if you have lots of work, so you have to run out this work. Whatever you want to do, if you want to study, if you want to work whole chores, if you want to work in field, if you want to work any going anywhere, so don't postpone. Today's work you can today, tomorrow work you can tomorrow. But you have to follow discipline. Discipline is very crucial. If you live in discipline, so definitely your work, all work is done. And no matter, there is one thing, when we are going to talk in front of people, so some people love 8 hour English, 8 hour me, and 8 hour you love people, and they pull your leg. Sometimes I feel, you feel definitely. So it's happened with any learners, because we are not surrounding English language. That's why people laugh at me also. But leave it and go let it go, and focus only your entire focus should be only your English language, while doing work, while going anywhere, while studying, while reading, all things in, you have to do English language. Each and every moment, if you are thinking English, if you are listening English, if you are create story in our mind in English language, so definitely uh, your your get fluency, your get success, not run from away. You can achieve your goals very short period time. Yes guys, because I have done this work. I am not a good speaker, but I am able to express my thought little bit gradually. One day it's happened like I will express our thought in a very good way, but you have to start your starting journey a very scratch level. That's why I'm telling. And don't worry about it. Someone laugh at you, let it be. Someone pull your leg, let it be. But you have to focus only your entire focus on your goal, how to achieve your goal, how it could be possible, which activities I have to apply in order to become a good speaker. Definitely they are laughing, and they will not laugh one day. It's happened with all people, all members, all learners. So that's why. And today is enough. Keep learning, keep watching, be happy, be happy in your life. And if you like my videos, please support me